With its first electric vehicle, Lexus Focus is razor-sharp. The technology, the details, the features, all culminate in and focus on just one. This is Gadgets and Widgets. The LFZ Electrified concept is a vision of Lexus like no other. The first Lexus to use an all-new electric platform. First to power each axle with Direct4 technology. First to use augmented reality and artificial intelligence to connect the driver and vehicle like never before. So many firsts. Direct4 envisions next-generation electric drive control technology that revolutionizes how tomorrow's drivers connect with the road. By directing power from each axle to the appropriate wheels as needed, Direct4 will help drivers maintain control. The two motors can also dynamically switch between front, rear and all-wheel drive for unparalleled stability while accelerating and cornering. The LFZ Electrified imagines a more advanced steer-by-wire technology that replaces the traditional steering mechanism and intuitively increases steering precision to match driving desires. The fully electronic and speed-sensitive system filters out any unwanted road vibration, envisioning an open and minimalist design. The interior embodies an elevated level of the Lexus human-centered approach. The Tazuna cockpit features an augmented reality head-up display, gauges, touchscreen display, and other functions that are grouped into a single module. On the road, the artificial intelligence acts as a lifestyle concierge, acknowledging by touch or voice the driver's preferences, proposing routes, restaurant reservations and more. E-latch doors offer a sleek vision of the future. Doors will open effortlessly with the simple push of a button while simultaneously scanning surroundings for oncoming traffic, ensuring doors only open when it is safe to do so. The digital key reimagines vehicle access and convenience by giving the driver's smartphone keyless, shareable access to the car. The panoramic roof of light-controlling glass invites the outside in. With the touch of a button, the transparent roof can become opaque. Reimagining the future of driving manifests itself in the first Lexus to be built on an all-electric platform. By evolving the vehicle to be even more intuitively responsive to a driver's needs, Lexus envisions a driving experience unlike any other. Like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more.